You know, our Indian minds, right? We want to do everything in secret. We have the biggest population in the world, but still we want to do it in a secret. And helmet, yeah, condom is also a kind of helmet. We have to wear it, but in a different position. Hi guys, welcome to Prakish Talks, and this is your Praveen Kishore. Hope you are all good, right? So let's start today's episode. Today I want to share some experiences in my life. Some naughty experiences. Kind of my first condom buying experience. You know, obviously it will be definitely funny for everyone. Okay, first, you don't know what is condom, then how to go to a medical shop and buy it. It's very funny incident. First time, like, you know, now we can go and we can take anything we want, but in initial days, if you want to go to a medical shop and get a condom, how different it will be. I had a date with a girl, so obviously had to take a condom. So I went to a medical shop and just waiting there. There are a lot of people there. You know, our Indian minds, right? We want to do everything in secret. We have the biggest population in the world, but still we want to do it in a secret. And helmet, yeah, condom is also a kind of helmet. We have to wear it, but in a different position. But in earlier days, it's kind of mindset. When going to a medical shop and buying it, used to think how he or she will react. In my first experience, I went to a medical shop. There, a lady is sitting. I am just seeing like that. Like that. She is seeing me. And I am seeing like that. And I am just waiting for everyone to go. So that I am checking and like that, like that. So everyone went. And she asked me, what do you want? I said, I want. Said, what do you want? Tell me. Said, I want condom. She laughed at me. Okay. Which one do you want? Which one? How many condoms are there? How many types of condoms are there? I don't know. I asked her. Which one means? She told like there are different varieties. Which one you want? I said, what are those varieties? She said, see, there is ultra thin. There is slim one. Okay? There is dotted one. There is strawberry. There is wind. She's saying a lot of things. I don't understand. I just thought condom is condom. It's only one thing. I asked her, which one is good? Then she looked at me like that. She hadn't said a single thing, just staring at me. I said, okay. Which one you feels good? Give it to me. She said, how many you want? How many? I asked her, like, do we have to wear one or many? She is seeing me like that. Then she gave me a box. Take it. Okay? There are instructions in that. Just read it. You will understand. I took it. I paid the money and ran away. It was the first, most horrific incident in my life. So now we all know, right? There are lots of varieties and we know everything about it. But initial days, we don't know anything. I just thought condoms are kind of balloons. Okay? In my childhood, I used to play with them. And also one of my friends, we gave condoms as a wedding gift to him. He also thought they are kind of balloons and he's playing with them. Later when we met, we told him what is the purpose of those condoms. And we had a very good love. But seriously, you know, right? Everyone wants to do everything in secret. That's why we have this much population. If we have taught in earlier days about these condoms and everything from in previous generations and before generations, we don't have that much population. We will not have that much population, right? Also remember few incidents. Had any dog chased you in your life? I had that experience. I had a horrific experience. One dog chased me like hell. I ran away. At last, I got bitten and I have few injections. From that day, I'm very scared of dogs. You know how I ran that day? If I ran in a Olympic or any other games, I'll definitely get a gold medal. Almost 3 to 4 kilometers I ran. But still, it caught me. So friends, this is my episode. Let's meet in next episode. Until then, this is your Praveen signing off. Bye-bye.